Hello and welcome to another video from Direct Processing Network. Today we're going to be learning how to place an order on the brand new Clover Kiosk. So first of all, you're going to tap on the screen. For this example, we're going to choose a Dine-In order. So you're going to go ahead and press Dine-In. Then you can select the items that you would like to order. For this example, I'm going to use some chicken wings. Let's say, for example, I would like these chicken wings barbecue, and I would like some extra cheese on it, extra blue cheese. And let's say I want to place 2 orders of the chicken wings. I would press the plus sign. This way the system knows to add 2 to the order. Then to press this button that says add to order. And now I can go ahead and order anything else that I want. For this example, I'm going to do a medium-sized pizza with 2 toppings. Let's say, for example, I want to do the first half with bacon and the second half with ground beef. I can press the items there. Once I'm ready to order, you'll be able to see the same button that says add to order. Go ahead and press that. And here I can order anything else that I want. If I want to search any item, like let's say for example, I want a coffee, which is an odd choice for pizza, but who am I to judge anybody? Then I'm gonna go ahead here and press the American coffee. Let's say not only I want one coffee, but I want 2. I can select that and add it to the order. Then once I'm ready to pay, I'm going to go ahead and press here where it says review order. Here you're gonna get a last chance to either change it to a takeout order or keep it as a dine-in. If you would like to add more items, you would press here where it says add more items. But in this case, if you're ready to check out, you just press check out. Here, the system is gonna ask you for your name. And then it's gonna ask you for your phone number. Once you do that, you can go ahead and press continue. Continue again. And then you're gonna have 2 options. For this example, we're gonna pay with a card. Select card payment. And now the machine is gonna light up at the bottom, and you're gonna be able to leave a tip if you want to leave a tip for the restaurant and the people cooking. Let's say for this example, I'm feeling generous, so I'm going to leave a 30% tip. And then on the little machine here, you can go ahead and tap your card, or you could put it in on the little hole right here. If it asks you for the PIN, you can go ahead and enter your PIN for extra security. Press enter. And then the payment is going to go through. Once the payment goes through, you're going to be able to print a receipt, text it to yourself, or email it. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and print it. And here you're going to be able to see the order number. That way, when they call your order, you have it in your receipt. And you'll have it also from the screen. If you would like to watch more videos like this, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave me any comments below with any video you would like to watch in the future. Thank you.